morning, guys. So the day has come of Machu Picchu and I have started my hike to the lost city of Inca. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a really hard hike, so I kinda left early just to give me this extra time because I am in a bad shape. So what for others takes 2 hours, for me probably gonna take 3 hours or more. So yeah, on my way, and soon I will see it. Soon I will see it. Awesome. So these are the buses that cost $12 in each direction. At the beginning I thought I might take a bus up and then hike down, but I thought, screw it. Why not? Let's do it the proper way, you know? The only problem is that I think I will get wet because it's kinda starting to rain already. So yeah, I hope it won't rain, but probably will. So. Oh, but what can you do, you know? Part of adventure. I already can see Machu Picchu ruins from here. I don't know if you can see, but on the very top you can see that there are ruins, and those are Machu Picchu. So that's where I have to hike up. Quite a distance as well. You know, when the views are like this, I guess it's not so bad. Okay, let's do it. Oh, I feel tired already. Total distance I need to hike is something like, I think something like 1.7 kilometers. And the first stopping breakpoint here on this trail is 400 meters, then 750 meters, and then I don't remember. But yeah, so I don't know, maybe like 100, 200 meters. Still a lot to go. Oh, this will be so exhausting, but beautiful. Plus, I think that after such a physical hike, you can appreciate Machu Picchu much better. Okay, time to move. I don't know how much of the trek I have done, but I think that I've done more than half. As you can see already the top almost. Yeah, so it is hard. I am tired, but to be honest, I thought it would be much harder. Yeah, not so bad, not so bad. Did it! Took me 1 hour 20 minutes to get up those stairs, and like 30 minutes to get to the stairs. So yeah, the problem is that my ticket is from 12 o'clock and it's 10 o'clock now. And obviously I did start it early because I thought it would take me twice as long, but it actually wasn't so hard. It wasn't so bad, so I don't know. We will see if they will let me in. Maybe, maybe not, because it's not a season really, you know, so there's not so many people, but so we'll see, we'll see. Otherwise I'm just gonna have to hang here for 2 hours. Ese cono allá arriba.
Buenos días.
Buenas.
Do you want to have a guide, sir?
Oh. Right, I'm in. It's 11 o'clock, they let me in early. because as I said, it's not really season, so I don't think they really care. The view, the view, the view.